You guys have to try this delicious honey bun cake because we like our backs big, okay? My husband loves honey buns, so I decided to give this a try. It's super easy to make, so let's get into it. Go on ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 1 block of softened cream cheese, 4 eggs, a box of your favorite yellow cake mix, a half cup of oil, and 1 cup of water, and you mix these ingredients together until smooth and creamy. Once that's mixed, you add to another bowl some brown sugar and cinnamon. I use about a cup of sugar and eyeball the cinnamon. Mix that together and set aside. In your baking dish, you add half of the cake mix to the bottom. Add the cinnamon mixture, more or less depending on how you like it, and then you add the remaining cake batter on top and smooth out. You bake that in the oven on 350 for about 30 minutes or until the toothpick is clean. For the icing, I just added some powdered sugar, some vanilla, and milk. I don't measure, I just eyeball it, okay? Once the cake is done, I poked some holes at the top and then I poured the icing on top while it was still warm. That's it, guys, and when I tell you it was amazing, woo! Alright, bye.